Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we are demonstrating the emergency stop function of the EPS cutting line. In daily production, accidents are inevitable. The purpose of the emergency stop function is to protect the safety of workers and the interests of the factory to the greatest extent possible. Next, we will invite Engineer Wang to demonstrate the application of the emergency stop function. As shown in the video, the principle of the emergency stop button is to cut off the power supply to the entire line. So when we press the button, the entire EPS cutting line will be directly cut off. To resume production, you only need to release the knob, and the entire line will resume power supply. What we are demonstrating is just the emergency stop button located on the operation working table control panel. There are a total of 5 buttons like this, located respectively in the main electrical control box, the secondary electrical control box, the 4-side EPS package machine electrical control box, the stacking machine electrical control box, and the big PE film wrapping machine electrical control box. If you need to resume production, you only need to enter the system page after starting the touchscreen, and the system will automatically prompt whether to resume the last production. If you need to resume production, just choose Yes, and then start the EPS cutting line from where it stopped earlier. Please note, the destacker and stacking workstation have the function of maintaining action after power failure. That is, if these 2 positions are in action when the power is cut off, the EPS sheets or EPS layers will not fall off. Next, we will simulate the resumption of production through the cross-cutting working station. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.